Founded in 2015, spowercnc specializes in high-end CNC woodworking and laser cutting equipment. Our wood CNC router is equipped with an automatic tool changer, a heavy-duty industrial machine bed, and premium components including an Italian HSD spindle and Japanese Yaskawa servo motors. Designed for stability and precision, it delivers outstanding performance for cabinet manufacturing, furniture production, and advertising applications, ensuring high efficiency, consistent accuracy, and long-term reliable operation in demanding woodworking environments.